Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sada Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 18 February 2026, Nifty index opened flattish and immediately witnessed buying from lower levels and improved sentiments throughout the session to cross 25,750. It witnessed some volatile moves in the second half of the session, but managed to close above 25,700, with bulls supporting the index at every small decline. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and has now started to form higher highs from the last couple of sessions. India VIX was down by around 5% to 12.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio marginally increased to 1.12. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,300 to 26,200, while immediate range is in between 25,500 to 26,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 999 crores, while TIIs were buyers worth 376 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 21%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,650 for an upside move towards 26,000 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 25,500. Bank Nifty has to hold above 61,000 for an upside move towards 61,500 and then 61,765 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 61,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Titan, Bharat Forge, Lupin, Indian Bank, Cummins, SBI, Piramal Pharma, and Sona Comps, while some weakness could be seen in BSE, MCX, Nalco, CDSL, Coforge, and M&M. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.